Hello everyone. To transfer recorded file or CG in NSCaster X1, go to Menu and select File Transfer. At here, you can export the recorded file to your external hard disk or import the video, CG, subtitle into here. To transfer, select the file you want and click this arrow to right button. It will copy the file to your external hard disk. You can check the progress bar below and cancel the transfer. Click Home button to back to Home menu. Click this Back button is to back to previous menu. This Delete button is to delete the file. If your file did not display here after you transfer, click this Refresh button. Click this to eject your external hard disk. That's it, thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.